2, 1, 2, 3, Pikachu! That cool. The Hunter. Let's go. Gianna. Let's go. Come on. So, I can't wait until I can start forming. This is my first day too with all of you. So what? Pikachu. It's Cyndaquil. Pikachu. Cyndaquil. So good. I'll be inside while you guys just all make shelter. Go Pikachu. Pikachu. Shumish. Yeah, decent. Nice to meet you. Oh, thanks. Nice to meet you, too. Hi, Maria. Pleased to meet you, too. Thanks. Yes, pleased to meet your clients. Hi, pleased to meet you. I'm new. I'm an old figure of his, but I'm new to the series. Anything. You know, they made me the rooster. But pleased to meet you, too. Pleased to meet you. You think we've had a good time together for the rest of our lives? I think we'll have a great time for the rest of our lives. That's what I think. Yes, that's what I think, too. I'm a very nice student. Thank you, everybody. So what do you want to do? I don't know what I want to do. Me either. I guess just do what we do the best. Okay, let's do it! Yay! Go back on your perch because you're a roaster. Ouch! Hey. Oh la 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 la, I'm the lookout, I'm the lookout, I'm the lookout. Lookout. Oh, mommy! Hey! Pikachu, Pika! Hi, guys! Help! My tail's stuck! Dang! Wow! Come on! This is the first episode, home! We're getting filmed by camera? Of course we are! This is a Pokemon series. Did you forget? Yeah, did you? No! Yeah, I didn't know that actually. I was about to tell you. Ah, get me out of this! Get me out! Whoa! What's the matter with you? Dad. I want to go back in the farm because I smell food. 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 Get me in here. Hey, why are you all in here? Food, I guess. I like it. You want food? Ah! Pika, 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 pika. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Okay, come get food. Woohoo! Ah! Pika, pika, Pikachu, pika, pika, Pikachu, Pikachu, pika, pika, Pikachu, pika, 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 Pikachu. Guys, get up here! Get up here! Somebody needs to catch our farmers. I say you should. Okay, I'll go catch them. Why did you say catch? Okay, I'll show you. Take a look. I guess I will look. Yeah, farmer's dog! Our farmer's dog! Our farmer's dog! Our farmer's dog! Oh no! Oh no! Catch him! Catch him! Catch him! Catch him! Catch him! Pikachu! Oh, Pikachu! You saved my life, Pikachu! Pikachu! Ouch! Thank you, Pikachu, for saving my life. Pikachu! Pikachu! Pika! Pikachu! Pikachu! Shimmy, 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 shimmy! Why are you all staring at me for? Why are you staring at me? Why are you all staring at me? Why are you staring at me already? Oh yeah, food. Ah! Oh no! Oh, this is gonna fall again. Pokemon food for all of you! Yummy! Yeah. Excuse me. I'm tired. I want to rest right now. Pikachu. Pika, Pika. Oh, good idea, Pikachu. Let's rest together. Shoo. On top. Cool. Let's go. Pigeon. everybody. See you later. For more fun adventures, whatever you want to call it, Pokemon Country. I would call it the Pokemon Country. Pokemon Country, starring Pikachu. Pikachu! Cyndaquil. Cyndaquil! Farmer Jones. My name's Jones! Goodness! Yo-ho! Poochyena! Poochyena! Giratina. Dragon Thing. Island. Disco. Haunter. Shimmy. And more on the next episode of Fun Country.